So far we've looked at two different forms of quadratic equations. Vertex form, which is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, which gives you information about the transformation of the parent function from a vertex at 0, 0 to whatever values hk. And we also looked at the general form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And so far we have learned how to go from standard form to vertex form by calculating the vertex. And now in 9.3 we will learn to go from vertex form to standard form. Right? And in order to do that, we have to know how to expand that x minus h squared, or the binomial squared piece. So example B, we were going to do just that. We are going to rewrite 2 times the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 5 in the general form. So what we're going to do in order to expand that x plus 3 squared is we are going to utilize our sneaky square. So we are going to set up our square with our x and positive 3 and x and positive 3. And whatever we get there, that whole piece, we're going to multiply by 2, and then at the end, subtract 5. Now we need to fill out this box by multiplying each of the rows by the columns. So first we have x times x, which gives us x squared. Then we have 3 times x, which gives us 3x. And then we have x times 3, which gives us 3x again. And lastly, 3 times 3 gives us 9. Now, we are going to take all of our inside pieces and add those together. So that gets us to x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. And that is still in parentheses being multiplied by 2 and then subtracting 5 at the end. Now before we distribute that 2, we want to combine like terms, and when we do so we get x squared plus 3x gives us 6x, and then 9. Now we're going to take that 2 and distribute it to everything inside the parentheses, which will give us 2x squared plus 12x plus 18. And then now, still on the outside, we have the minus 5. And our very last step is to combine our constants here, which is a positive 18 and a negative 5. And when we do so, we get 2x squared plus 12x plus 13. So now we are in ax squared plus bx plus c form, where a is 2, b is 12, and c is 13. Now I'd like you to go on and try guided practice A and B on your own. And when you are ready, watch the next video to check your work.